Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with another easy tutorial. This is a shrimp turkey burger with the homemade remoulade sauce. Y'all, I've made this burger at least 5 times since we've been in the quarantine. So let's get started. Okay, so you want to start off with making your remoulade sauce. The longer it stays in the fridge, the better your sauce will taste. Right here I have some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, paprika, cayenne, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, Old Bay, and and some parsley. And you're gonna mix that up, and then you're gonna place it in the fridge for an hour. I actually didn't have any Dijon mustard or Creole mustard, which I usually use for this recipe. So I used yellow mustard. It came out fine. It was just more tangy than I expected it to be because I'm not used to having that super tanginess. But if you only have yellow mustard, you can use that with some modifications in the recipe that I will have below. All right, so what I have here are some large shrimp. I recommend using large or extra large and not popcorn shrimp. You're just going to season your shrimp with 2 ingredients, just olive oil and any type of seasoned salt. I'm using my favorite, as y'all know, Chef Paul Prudhomme's Seafood Magic. You can also use Tony Chachere as well. Any seasoning salt works. It's very simple. And keeping it simple, we're going to go in with these seasoned turkey burgers. Yes, it says seasoned, but y'all, these are Karen seasoned. We're trying to make these Keisha seasoned. So I am going to go in with Chef Paul Prudhomme's Meat Magic, garlic powder, and onion powder. You don't have to do this step if you're fine with how they're seasoned, but y'all know I can't have bland food. I can't do it. You can also do this recipe with frozen beef or fresh beef patties as well. Although I'm re-seasoning these patties, I am being conscious to not add so much seasoning salt because I don't want my patties to be extremely salty. All right, so next you are going to want to cook your burgers, whether you put them in the oven or on the grill. I'm just going to put mine in a nonstick pan with a little bit of vegetable oil. I hate using nonstick pans without oil. I know it defeats the purpose of a nonstick pan. That's just a habit that I got to get out of. But with this turkey burger, I did want to add some oil because these turkey burgers, I don't want to say they tend to get dry, but on the outsides of them, I don't like the crust that forms when it's in a nonstick pan. I'm going in with my Sargento cheese, which is my favorite cheese. Y'all stop sleeping on Sargento. I know it costs like $10, but don't sleep on Sargento. In that same pan, we're going to start sauteing or pan frying our shrimp. Make sure you add about a tablespoon of olive oil before you add your shrimp to prevent it from sticking. All right, so after your shrimp is done, put it to the side with your burgers, and you are going to want to toast your buns. Y'all, please toast your buns. It'll make your burger 10 times better. I just added a little bit of butter and then added our bun to the pan. Now let's start assembling. Look at that. Now it's up to you what all you want on your burger. You could add lettuce, tomatoes, banana peppers, whatever. But for this particular video, I just added some mayo, purple onion, and some pickles. All right, y'all, it's almost time to eat. After I added on my purple onion, I just put a whole bunch of shrimp on top. It's up to you how much shrimp you want. A lot of people were telling me that they've never had shrimp on a burger. I'm like, where have you been? If you can't go to Bella Noche's, well, what the hell? Let me stop. All right, and then your final step is to drizzle that remoulade sauce all over the top, y'all. I promise you, this recipe is a trap, y'all. If you're trying to get you a man or a woman, fellas, make this for her. Ladies, make this for your man. He gonna marry you the next day, I promise. All right, y'all. I'm out. Make sure you share, like, comment, all that good stuff. And if you make this, make sure you tag me. Hashtag Kitchen Trap Queen. All right, y'all. I'm out. All right, y'all, I lied. I'm not out. Follow me on Instagram at Kitchen Trap Queen. Look at the screen. I know you want to bite it right now. Oh, this is so good. I promise. All right, y'all, I'm out for real.